Patriot. It's 2.6 inches in diameter. It's the red and white rocket out there. He's flying this on an F-52. And it's a chute recovery with a release at 500 feet. Greg, are you ready? Alright, and we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, good up. Coming over the top, and the chute is out. And there's the release. Nice flight. Okay, ranges are open. Okay, this is coming down on the east end of the range. Heads up over there. I think it's going to miss everyone. It's down.